Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we will see the extra practice work for chapter number 8, cars and wheels. So let's see what is written here, fill in the blanks. So let's see the first one. In the figure is given here already. O is the center of the circle. You can see here O is the center. Then what is written? Segment OP is called. Where is segment OP? Segment OP. What it is called? It is the line from the center to the point of the circle. So it is called the radius. So segment OP is called the radius of the circle. Okay. Then segment number 2. Segment PQ is called a. Where is PQ? So PQ is here from P to Q. You can see this is the line which touches the 2 point of the circle and pass through the center. So this is the diameter of the circle. What is it? It is the diameter. Then next, what is written? PO means PO, OQ and QR. And we have to tell the relation. We have to put the symbol of greater than, less than, or equal. So PO and OQ. Children, you know that PO and OQ are the radius. Same way OR is also radius, and you know the circle, whatever the radii the circle has, all the length of these radii are same. So here what will come? Is equal to sign will come. Here also is equal to sign will come. Means what it want to say? PQ is equal to OQ is equal to OR. Then downside, name all points that lies on the circle. Now here we have to see. This is the circle. Which are the points that lies on the circle? You can see here O. O is in the center of the circle. And this Q, R and P, this lies on the circle. यानी circle के ऊपर है. Suppose the point is here and I will give name S to it. So you can say this S is out of the center. O is inside the center and P, Q and R are on the circle. So which points? So we have to write points P, Q and R. Okay, now let's see the next. A circle can have more than one center. Is it true? So no, it has only and only one center. Find the radius of the circle whose diameter is 16 centimeter. So radius of the circle, we have to find out the radius, and diameter is given. So you know children, diameter is always double of the radius. So what will be the radius? So the radius is half of the diameter, that is 8 centimeter. Okay. Then next, a diameter always passes through the center. It is always passes through the center of the circle. Then a diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. It is divided into two equal parts. Now all the radii of the circle are equal in length. Is it true? So yes, it is true sentence. Then the distance between the center and any point of the circle is called, that means the distance between the center and any point of the circle is called radius. What it is called? It is called radius. R-A-D-I-U-S, radius. Then K, figure of dash is available by tracing a lid of the bottle. अगर आप bottle के ढक्कन से कुछ trace करते तो which shape you will get? So you will get circle there. Okay. The line passes from the center and any point of the circle, that is called the diameter. Choose the correct alternative for each questions and write its order alphabet in the box. So here number 1 we have what is written. I have no corners or sides. I am round. Who I am? Right? I don't have any corner. I don't have any sides. So which shape I have? So I am a cylinder, rectangle, square or circle. It is a circle. Then D. If a circle has a radius of 4 centimeter, then the diameter of its diameter is always double of the radius. So the radius is 4 centimeter to this diameter is 8 centimeter. So what will we write here? Write here D. Then see the third one. Give the name of the smaller radius. So here you have to find out which is the smaller radius. So this is the smaller radius, cm, centimeter. Right? its length on the basis of the following. So which is the, I will write here. So which is the smaller radius? So smaller radius is OP, you can see here. And what is its length? Its length is 2 centimeter. So do we have here? Yes, it is this one. Okay. So what will we write here? We will write C option. Then number 4. If OP is 5 centimeter. So where is OP? OP is here 5 centimeter. And separation between two circle is 7 centimeter. Separation means the difference between this and this circle means this. It is 7 centimeter. Then what is the question? What will be the length of TQ? So TQ की length क्या होगी? From here to here. We have to find out from here to here. So TQ is equal to, TQ किस किस चीज़ से बना हुआ है? देखो TS plus SO plus OP plus PR, right? OP is already given. OP is 5 centimeter. So we will write here 5 centimeter. Now this is the OP and this is the OS. Both are the radius. So SO. So SO is also 5 centimeter. And OP is also centimeter. 5 centimeter. Then TS. So what did they say? TS. TS दोनों के बीच में की difference क्या बताया? That is 7 centimeter. And this is also OP भी क्या है? इन दोनों के बीच में का difference है. That is the 7 centimeter. Now just count 7 to the 14 plus 10, that is 24 centimeter. So what is the answer? That is B is our answer. So what is the length of TQ? So length of TQ means from here to here it is 24 centimeter. So children, here we have completed our chapter number 8. Now we will start the chapter number 9 of your syllabus, that is halves and quarters. Today up to here only. We will meet soon. Till that, bye and have a good day. Thank you everyone.